What the fuck? Oh, buddy! Pools will be open soon, buddy. It's not on elevate.
Like this and go.
Nathan? We're done. Is that nice?
This one's it's not really that.
You guys, somebody get the fucking mouse! He's literally not scared of any of you! Are you smiling, dude? Oh my god!
You better move that paw.
Se posiciona volviendo a la altura de la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir el olfato. Ahí vemos la Take your laptops and electronics out the bag. If you got a hoodie on, take it off.
As El Stopper with 17 seconds to go in this first half of the match.
Andy, honey, we're just at the pharmacy.
Hey.
The shower is. Stop.
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you. He's a good boy, very handsome.
Guess what, O'Jizzle? Don't you side eye me.
No. Oh, we can't.
Wow. Excellent.
Did you eat her food? Did you eat her food? Rocco, go lay down.
No.
Yes.
Where'd the dog go? Oh.
Rubber duck come in the tub.
Sir, your dog's ball sack is under his chin. Hi.
No. You are not yawning. No.
FaceTime you? You got a big iPhone? Oh, God.
Stop barking at him. He is a veteran.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the pole.
Get your tongue off my door. No. Sonny Bonnie.
No, man. What a good boy.
Because it got stuck in the crack.
Oh, yeah. Come here. Come here.
So I usually put the pill in like a little cheese.
No, stop.
Take it.
Gotta do what I want to do.
It would get stuck in the crack. Come on, you can do it. Go backwards if you have to. There you go. There you go.
It's time to go off the bed.
Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing like that?
If someone ever asked what my favorite hobby is, I would tell them sleeping.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, I love you.
Kiss your dog and see their reaction. More?
Oh, Bonnie, come here.
Please.